Okay, so this is our latest project. It's a 1973 Pinzgauer Army truck from the Swiss military, and absolutely just enjoying this a lot. It's a great project to work on. We got quite a few things going on right now. The latest thing we did is we took out these old ratty seats that were in here. These came out of an MR2, and we have replaced them with some nice leather seats, and they look great in there, from a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. These are the rear passenger seats. They're captain's chairs. They look really good. One issue though is the captain chair on the passenger side. You get rid of the outside arm here so the door will actually shut. And I'll go over there and show you that right now real quick. But I'm very happy with the install. They're about 19.5 inches wide. So width-wide, they're fine. You can see right here, I took the arm off. Cut this metal nub off so it will fit, and there's enough clearance to shut the door and latch it, no problem. And this side, of course, because of the engine cover, this seat is slightly forward and over this direction, but it fits very well. So those of you who are wondering, it can be done. You just have to fabricate some brackets, which was actually pretty easy to do for this vehicle. You still get the inside armrest as well. So there you have it.